so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need.
Hi y'all, I am Simone C. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today y'all, we have an exciting video. Today's all about this gorgeous, beautiful reddish brown hair from Unice Hair on Amazon. I would love to thank Unice Hair so much for sending me this gorgeous, beautiful unit and for sponsoring today's video. If you all are interested to see how I got this gorgeous install from start to finish, please stay tuned and keep on watching.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh, you something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating this, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Alright y'all, so let's see what we have. Look at this lace, you all. It looks like it is coming out of my scalp, okay? Like, this is skin. I absolutely love Unice Hair, you all. They always come pre-plucked, as you can see, and baby hair long enough in the front so that, you know, you are ready, set, and go for your installs. Love it. So again, this is Unice Hair on Amazon. This is their 24-inch reddish brown body wave wig, you all. 13x4 lace frontal ear to ear, 150% density, you all. Again, the description says pre-plucked with baby hair, as I just described, and the knots already come pre-bleached for you all, which you know I absolutely love when the work is already done for you. Love, love, love that. Again, this is their copper reddish color. I've been loving this color. This is the new trend, the new color of 2022, you all, like this auburn copper red, and I absolutely love it. Do you see it on the melanin, on the skin tone? Love this color. I think this is gonna be my new color for life, okay? So let's take these curls out and see what we have. Ooh, baby. Actually, let me pin that back really quick so that we can work on our sideburns. And if we're gonna do any baby hairs, taking my eyebrow razor, we're just gonna cut these bad boys a little long today. Taking my Cantu honey styling gel as always and an edge brush. And we're just gonna go ahead and swoop these sideburns into place. One side quickly swooped. There we have it. So yes, now we can take out the curls and see how the hair is looking. Oh my, I just feel like a red bombshell, okay, you all, like, wow. Look how beautiful and gorgeous this hair is, and the color and the curls, you all. Wow, I am so in love with this hair, you all. Yes. I have some hairpins here from Walmart, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some because I feel like it goes with the hair and the overall look of my shirt, like the nude colors. So let's see. As always, we're gonna go back in the part with some type of powder or concealer or foundation. I wanna use the Ruby Kisses foundation level 12 and the lighter side in a skinny brush. Because I like for my parts to look a little bit more realistic. And then taking the darker side mixed with the light side, I like to go in over the lace in the front. Just to create like a gradient, like airbrushed effect, if you know what I mean. And then to finish off the look, I like to add a little bit of the Biosilk Serum sometimes, just because I feel like it gives like a salon effect and salon kind of look. It smells amazing and it adds nice shine and luster to the hair. So yes, you all, that's why I love this stuff. I'm absolutely in love with how long this hair is. This 24 inches definitely hit me past my bust area. So long and luscious. I just love long hair on me, you all. Love it. Nice and full. I love the 150 density. And this color is perfect for the summer season. Perfect for this weather right now. Get it, you all, today. Do not hesitate. Put this in your cart and check out. You won't be disappointed. So yes, you all, that completes the install for today. That completes this look. Please let me know what you all think. I absolutely love it. Let me know if you agree. Have you tried Unice hair from Amazon before? Have you tried this color? Let me know, let me know. Also, let me know if you will be trying it, especially after today's video. I love the look that I created today with no baby hairs. You know, that's very rare on my channel because I love me some baby hairs, but I decided to leave it as is today and just create 2 swoops of sideburns, and I love it. Unice hair on Amazon is super affordable, you all. This unit will run you for about $200 and something. Just be sure to click the link below and you'll get the exact price for this length. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.